Yeah, hopefully everyone enjoyed that little break from the rain today, because heading into tomorrow, it's going to be a much different story. We have a system that is really on our heels right now, and it's going to be bringing some wet weather in the next couple of hours to western Washington. Live look at SeaTac right now, pretty mild out there. We are staying dry this evening, but heading into the next couple of hours, that's when rain is going to make a comeback. So looking at our satellite and radar, we see a little bit of moisture starting to creep onto the Olympic Peninsula, and into the next few hours, that is going to continue. That is all thanks to this low pressure system that's going to be pulling that moisture into western Washington, bringing back that rain, and it's going to start tonight. It's also kicking up winds as well. We have a wind advisory in place. This doesn't technically start until 11 p.m., but it continues through the day tomorrow, ends at 5 p.m. everywhere in this brown area. So really around central and north Puget Sound, gusts up to 40 miles per hour possible. So get ready for some windy conditions tomorrow. These high winds are also prompting a gale warning. We can see around Puget Sound, and a small craft advisory over along the coast. That small craft advisory ends tonight, but that gale warning does go through tomorrow. Once again, those gusty winds into tomorrow. Rain into tomorrow as well. So we can see starting into tonight, we're going to start to bring that rain really over the Olympic Peninsula. Then into tomorrow morning, could see pockets of moderate to heavy rain really over the Olympic Peninsula as well. Into tomorrow night, or tomorrow afternoon, I should say, that's when it becomes a little bit more widespread for us. And like I said, we could see some pockets of a moderate to even heavy rainfall. Into tomorrow night, really becoming more widespread. Then come Halloween, I know this is what we're all looking forward to. Monday morning right now is looking like that's going to be the wettest part of the day, but then into our afternoon and evening hours, that's when those showers do look to taper off. So it is looking like we could be drying out for those trick-or-treaters, but the first half of the day does look to be a little bit wet. So for today, 56 degrees is what we saw at SeaTac. That's right on track with average. No rain for today. Like I said, we stayed dry. That brings us to about 1.5 inches of rain so far at SeaTac for this month. Keep in mind, we should be at about 3.5 inches of rain. So we are still in a deficit, even though we've seen some rain these last couple weeks, and we are going to keep rain in the forecast for the next week. Heading into tomorrow, temperature is going to be pretty close to what we felt today. So on the cool side, we'll see really low to mid 50s, could see some upper 50s as well. Same thing over in the mountains, mid 50s in store for us. So it's going to be another cool fall day. Speaking of cool, snow levels are going to be dropping. Heading into tomorrow, they're actually staying pretty high. Monday as well, 7,000 feet. But look at this, into midweek, snow levels dropping to 1,500 feet on Thursday. However, during that time frame, we're going to be a little bit on the dry side. We will see some spotty showers through that time frame, but really the big push for rain is tomorrow into Monday. Then midweek, we're going to kind of dry out. It's going to be spotty, hit and miss showers. Friday and Saturday is when we're going to talk about our next big push for rain, but definitely showers staying in the forecast for the next week or so. Chris?